Ang ganda ng matching datos natin, Bispin, ha? Tingnan mo naman yan. Grabe yan.
Yeah, I know, right? Hi, babe! May matching tattoos kayo?
Ano ka ba, babe? Tattoo lang naman ito eh. Oh, tingnan mo dyan. Ang ganda dyan, di ba? Grabe, 669.
Yeah, I know, right? It's so beautiful, you know what I mean? So ngayon sa wife mo, walang matching tattoo. Tapos yung best friend mo meron? Ano yan? Oh! Come on! Sa bagay, wala naman siguro magsisilo sa mga matching tattoos na yan with best friend. Don't be jealous. Because, ako lang to. And you know me. We're friends also. We are family friends. And besides, I treat her like my little brother.
Really?
And you know that.
Bispin naman turingan namin ni Beshi.
We're best friends, you know what I mean? Ganun ba? Best friends kayo?
Isa pa, wala namang big deal yun.
Yeah, Wilmar is right. No big deal, you know what I mean? I treat her like my little brother. You're so sweet, friend. I like Filipino, you're so sweet. Walang yata?
Elton ang mga bata. Chris Aquino, ikaw ba yan?